Hello, my name is architect Suman Shah. She is my wife, architect Soni Shah. Together we both run our firm Architectural Design Studio from Mundwa, Pune. So today I'll be briefly describing our project which we have recently done. It's a very special project and very close to our heart because of the new innovations we have done and the satisfaction that the client has achieved from the result of this project. This project we have done for a doctor couple. They have a good practice in Hadassar area of Pune. He's Dr. Alatkar, and they approached us with a very special and peculiar type of problem. Though the plot is located in a very posh area of Pune, known by name Magarpatta city, but the shape of the plot was quite unique, and they were not able to find a suitable design for that plot. They had approached earlier also several architects, but the result was not satisfactory. So, by asking their friends, they located us, approached us, and we started with the design. So, as you can see, the plot shape is something like this. It's neither a full triangle nor a square. So the putting up a design on this plot was quite challenging. But we had earlier also dealt with several this kind of challenges. So we sit together with the client, got all their requirements, understood their personalities. The wife is quite open-minded, and she has a great liking for buildings which have glass facades, open frontages, open areas in the backyard, front yard. So we kept that in mind. So we started the planning, and it was very clear that the approach road was here. So we took the entrance from here, keeping the bylaws in mind of Pune Corporation. Next came the planning things. The clients were very clear that the spaces, the main living room of the bungalow, she wanted very spacious and double height. So we did this in design. Bedrooms were placed accordingly, kitchen and dining, all those areas were placed very attractively, and they liked it. When the design was approved, then the next point came about the elevation treatment of that building. It should be unique, attractive. Being in a place like Magarpatta city, where everyone goes only to see innovation in architectural design. So we started with the elevation designing of the building. Now we'll move a little bit in detail into the project. Since we have seen the elevation, now let us describe the approach, what are the other special elements we have incorporated. This is the front roadside plot line. So we enter from here, and this is a special steps given for the entrance to the bungalow. This is the area we have provided a landscape special feature which is a little elevated than the rest of the plot. You can see here, this area is little elevated. Next to that is a parking which we can call it a lower ground parking, and our team have placed very intelligently in this area. This height of the living room is more than a single floor, and this is the kitchen area, and below the kitchen the parking has been accommodated. So in the plan you can see the car can enter directly here and go into the parking. Basement is not allowed in this area because of the corporation rules. So so it could not go for a basement. So intelligently this parking has been accommodated there. Second parking comes from here. We enter from here, go this side, and below the ground floor again a lower ground parking has been created. Now coming to the construction items, as we have discussed earlier, these were a bit challenging. This entire thing has been done in concrete. That too, this is at the same floor level as it is inside. So structurally it was quite challenging, and hats off to Skylark Associates that they have designed it so beautifully, and whatever points we had put up they have accepted gladly and they have delivered the design to us. This entire things have been done in concrete. This is again in concrete. You can see at site also whatever structural supports, beams we have taken, those are not visible, and exactly what we are seeing here is visible at site. On this, as the client wanted big glass openings, the same has been incorporated. You can see here we have done this with UPVC windows, Ferrista brand. Then putting up a UPVC window was also challenging, especially at this area. This is a unique shape and none of them were ready to deliver this. But Mr. Anand was there, he gladly accepted the challenge and he made it possible. And if you can see the front part, we will be finishing this with brick cladding. This will be done with FRP and these things will be done with WPC. Another important feature or you can say challenge in this project was we had planned for a 1.5 floor height of living room. This is 25 feet wide, 25 feet length and 18 feet wide. Putting up any beam on this area was little disturbing in the sense of interiors. So this challenge was also put up with the structural consultant and it took us some time, and finally we achieved that thing, and this is a beamless area. So while doing the interiors they can achieve full height fall ceiling there. This lift also played an important role in the structural stability of this area. These RCC walls of this lift are acting as big columns to take the load.